It's the biggest altcoin dump in a year. The alt-season co-pilot has moved us mostly back into Bitcoin, and our Bitcoin trading signal is very close to moving us back into cash. But we'll go over those in this video, but I'm also going to focus on the world markets and how we can grow our Satoshi by trading these very same patterns that are setting up right now. Welcome back, everybody. It's Sunday morning. My name is Doug, and I'm the editor of the Digital Currency Traders publication on Medium. I love to talk about how to grow our money, but I also write about different ways to make money from nothing. So be sure to check out my profile over on Medium. I want to say a big thank you out to the recent subscribers on the YouTube channel and the members area. Great to have you guys along. Be sure to check out the last couple of videos from the members area in the last couple days. Really important stuff setting up right now. Okay, let's start off with whale feeding zone and shark feeding zone. Then we'll take a look at the biggest dump in altcoins this year. Then we'll focus on what's coming up in the world markets. So here we are with the 1 day. It's starting to look like it's building up to go higher. And I'm wanting it, of course, to go blasting straight higher from this and just continue off. And this is just a big consolidation flag that's going to go to the moon from here. Yet we're doing the 1, 2, 3 pattern. And I just want to map out where these different time frame of the Bollinger Bands have squeezed down to, because these give us really clear indication when these 1, 2, 3s are setting up and the ranges where a fake out breakout might be in play. I used to get nailed a lot by the fake out breakouts because I wasn't watching the Bollinger Bands give that reversal signal. Now I'm watching. So we can see that it's pinching down, and for the last month and a bit, it's been a lot of not much fun. So let's continue on. We can see that our trading signal, though, is coming up to the 1, 2, 3 formation. We would go into partial hold status if we started to break below this trend line, and it wouldn't be long before we would be in full exit status. So we just got to be aware when that's coming up close to us. And now let's take a look at what's going on with the biggest altcoin dump in the year. Actually, to have the pullback this hard and this strong in our alt season co-pilot has actually been the strongest we've seen. One of the important charts that we can see here, it shows the number of hold status coins that we had and how quickly that number has dropped back and changed into partial hold status. And then a bunch of those partial hold status are closing to full exit. So this is actually the strongest bear move that we've had in the altcoins, but this is difficult to see it on this chart. If we go into our Discord, I have another spreadsheet that shows the data a little better to show how hard of a dump this was. So what's going on now is Bitcoin dominance is going up very strongly, and this could be because of the ETFs, that as Bitcoin takes off, Bitcoin dominance could go way up and the alts could get crushed more from here. And the good news is that our system has moved us mostly back into Bitcoin, and then we just have to hold to see if Bitcoin is going to continue on higher or not. And now I want to finish off with the world market section, where I'm talking about oil prices, because they are coming down to the bottom of a downtrend line. They're making a very strong 1, 2, 3 formation here off of historical levels. And as we zoom in on these closer time frames, we can see that that 1, 2, 3 is actually shaping up again here, where we have a smaller 1, 2, 3 setting up with a hammer reversal bullish candle. And we're breaking out above all of these patterns right now. And the reason this is important for us altcoin traders is because we can grow our Satoshis, we can grow our Litecoin by trading oil contracts over on SimpleFX. You'll find my referral link down below. Here is natural gas, and I'll show you the trade that I put on in natural gas as we were coming down to the break of the 1, 2, 3 formation. Now this took a while to put this trade on because it went sideways for a while. And now it's in some nice profit here, and I was able to do that using Litecoin. I have just one Litecoin that I've earned on SimpleFX from referral earnings, and now I have that Litecoin in a series of small little long positions at pretty high leverage over on SimpleFX. So as natural gas prices, should they continue to break out higher from here, I will earn some profit off of that one. And it's coming off of some crazy monthly levels where it could really go quite a bit higher because of the tensions in the world and not because of the supplies that we have underground. And it may be the same thing with oil prices now that we're back to these historical levels on these trend lines. We're coming off a 1, 2, 3 formation that's super, super important. It may be that world oil prices are going to be going up, and we could grow our Bitcoin while that's happening. And that's pretty exciting, because if Bitcoin is going up to the $500,000 range that some of the logarithmic weekly charts are suggesting, then it would be important for us to be building the number of Satoshis that we are owning, because if Bitcoin is going to continue on a trend like we did in the past, it could be that we are in for a very long uptrend in Bitcoin prices that are going to be huge and significant, with some really big pullbacks along that trend. And it's totally possible here. And if we can grow our Satoshis in different markets aside from cryptocurrency, then we are really diversifying our markets using this trading signal all over the place. And that wraps it up for this episode. Grateful to have you guys along, checking out what's going on Bitcoin, what's going on with altcoins, and how we can trade the world markets to grow our Satoshi there as well. Wishing you success, trade safe, and keep those losses small.